All right, I'm going to quickly show you how to make a menu for your web page. So we're going to now convert this web page to a website with multiple pages. We're just going to have two different pages, and it's going to click, the menu is going to click between the two pages. So the most important thing for this to happen, to make this happen, is the file management. Okay, we need to make sure that we know where these files are, we know what they're named, and that we put them in the code correctly. That's the biggest mistake I've seen from anybody creating this for the first time. So let's start with the files. I'm going to come in here to my web development folder, web assignments. Doesn't matter where you put yours, but I'm going to make a new folder for it. It's always a good idea to make a new folder when you are starting this or any new assignment. So I'm going to call this website menu. That's the name of the assignment. And I'm going to click on it or press enter and go inside that folder. And then I'm going to open up my video embed assignment. Here it is here. I've got two videos in divs, and you should have the same thing. If you don't, you can download it from Canvas. This exact same example here, you can download it and use this. So I'm going to go up to File to make sure it gets to that folder, File, Save As, and then I will navigate to that folder in my documents, wherever that is for you. You need to get there. Now I just created a folder called website menu, and inside there, that's where I'm going to save this. I could give it a new name. Mine's the start file. Yeah, I'm going to just say video. That's all I'm going to put. Okay, so it's in the right spot. It's called video.html. That shows right here. That's really important to know, and where it's saved. And I got it saved to the right spot. Took me a minute, but I got it. So now it's a matter of creating a list, a very simple list with two items on it. I'm going to have a two-page website, and it's going to click between the two pages. So a menu is no more than just a list with links. So inside the body tag, I'm going to nest another div tag at the top. Anytime we have content, we want it inside of a div, so I'm going to do that. So I'm going to nest inside the div tag a list, an unordered list. And I'm going to have two list items nested in here. Li for list item. And the first list item, I'm going to call it maybe just video 1. So video page 1. And then I'm going to copy that so I don't have to type it all over again. Control C, press enter, Control V, and I'm going to switch the name of it to video 2. Okay, so there's my list. If I save this and go to the website, I don't think I've opened it yet, so I'll just double click it there. Here it is here. Whoops. Let me get it. Oh, that's fine. About that big. Okay, here's my website with the two videos, and there's my menu right there. It's a beautiful menu. Okay, not yet, but we'll get there next assignment to make it look good. But it's a list. It's just a simple list, but I can't click anything yet. In a website, to click to go to the other pages, we have to make it a link. So in order to make it a link, let me make sure I know which one that is. Okay. To make it a link, I'm going to go to the code, and inside these list items, I'm going to put an A tag, which is anchor. So inside, around the text, inside the list items, but around the text, I'm going to put an opening A and a closing A. And then inside the opening A tag, I'm going to space it out and put a attribute, href. So the A tag makes it a link, and the href attribute, and whatever's in the quotes of the href attribute, that's where it sends it when I click on this text right here, video 1. So I'm not going to send it to a website. I'm not going to send it to the YouTube video for this video. That's what a lot of students do, make the mistake of doing. I want it to send it to a page in my website. And so I want it to send it to a certain page. Video 1, I want it to go to the first video page, which is this one right here, video. I just wanted to open up this page with my two videos, which I'll change in a minute. So it's right up here. It's called video.html. That's what I'm going to type right here. As long as it's in the correct folder, it's going to find that and open it. And well, I'll show you how that works. So video.html, it's just the file name of the HTML file, the page. I want it to open up that page when I click video 1. Okay, I'm going to copy that so I don't have to type it again. Paste it right here. I'm going to get rid of this video 2 and just switch this to video 2. Okay, so now I've got the same thing here, but I don't want it to go to that same page. I want it to go to a different page, and I only have one page, video.html. So I'm going to just anticipate that I'm going to create a second video page, and I'll just call it video2.html. So that way, when I click this link, video 1, it goes to the first page, and video 2, it goes to the second page. So let's make that happen. Now, well, let's create a page for video 2, otherwise it's not going to go anywhere. In fact, if I save this and I refresh this page, see, now they're links. I can hover over them, and if I click video 1, it just reloads the page. It takes me to video 1 page, which is right, it says right up here, video.html. If I click on video 2, it takes me, or it wants to take me to the video2.html page right here, it says. So that's correct, I just don't have one yet, so it didn't find it. So now I'm going to make one so that I have 2 pages. And so I'm just going to go to File, Save As, and it's in the same spot. It's got to be in the exact same folder. Pulled mine up automatically, otherwise I'd have to go find it. And I'm just going to name it video2.html. It's the exact same page, but I will change it so that they are a little bit different. Okay, so now I have video 2, and if I want video 1 back up, I'll just go to File, Open, and open up video 1. Okay, so now I've got video 2, video 1. I can rearrange those if I really want. Video 1, video 2. So now it should take me to both of them. They're both saved. And if I refresh this, video 2 takes me to the video 2 page, video 1 to the video 1 page. They're both the exact same right now. So let me just change it up a little bit so that it looks different when I click between the two. But right now I have a functioning menu. I have 2 different pages. My menu goes from video 1 to video 2, and it's the same on every page. Menus almost always, are the exact same on every page. That way it looks like you're just changing the content, but you're actually changing a page with the same menu on it. Okay, so the last thing, I'm going to change these up a bit. Video page 1, right here, I'm going to take out the second video. Let's see, where is it? Right here. I'm just going to take out the whole div and save that. Video 2, I'm going to take out the second div, which is the first video. Just going to delete it and save that. And maybe I'll just change the background color also from gray to light blue. And I'll save that. That one's saved too. So now this should work out. I can refresh here. Looks like it starts on video 2. I can click on video 1. There it is, the first video. There's video 2 with a different background color, which probably wouldn't happen to actually, a different background color, but I just wanted to make sure it was different. And there's my video 2. In fact, I kind of don't like that. I'm going to switch it back to gray. Whoops. Since I have a different video, I probably don't need a different background color. That's not very typical of a website, but I could if I wanted. So video 2, video 1. Okay, it looks exactly the same. The menu is still just as beautiful on either page. Don't worry, next assignment will make that better. But it works. That's the point of this first assignment, is have a functioning website with a menu. Okay, 2 different pages, and it goes in between, just like that.